Wigton and Carlisle. This train is formed of two coaches. Kirkby Furnace, Green Road, Silecroft, Bootle, Drigg and Carlton are request stops, and passengers at these stations should ask the conductor of the train to arrange for the train to stop to allow them to alight. The next train to arrive at platform 4 will be the 10:17 Northern service to Morecambe, calling at Bear Lane and Morecambe. This train is formed of two coaches.
Hey, you right?
Are you?
Yeah, good, yeah. Here we are at Lancaster station. We've got to get on the train to Morecambe, where Eric Morecambe lives, the late Eric Morecambe, and then we're off to a place called Heysham as well. So we're doing a little bit of travelling today. Yeah. Should we ask the guard how we can get to Heysham? The gentleman there? What do you reckon? So we don't get on the wrong train. Okay. So it's platform 1, is it?
Yeah, platform 1.
All right.
Okay, I thought it was platform 4.
That's all right. Thank you for that.
I know what it is.
That's all right. That's all right. We do want to get on the wrong train. No, it'll cost us a lot of money otherwise, wouldn't it? See, I'm glad I asked Aaron to check. Yeah, because Aaron said we'll have to go via Morecambe, but we can go from platform 1. So it means up and down the stairs again. So we're at Lancaster station at the moment. We're going up the lifty, are we? Okay. Hello, beautiful. Oh, look, we're all in the photograph at the same time. There we go. This is the best place to get a photograph on it for everybody here, isn't it? That's all right. Now I'm doing a video. What are we going to be stuck in a lift?
Reach level and way out.
Oh, good.
You're listening.
Cool. Do you know, I didn't even feel it going up.
Yeah.
So we've got to go over to platform 1, sorry, to go to.
The next train to arrive at platform 3 will be the 10:09.
I'm so glad it's Lancaster, not Crewe.
Yeah.
Doors opening.
There you go, we're going up and down the lift again. Because we're downright lazy.
Doors closing.
Take care of your legs, Mr. Lockie.
Yes,
Doors closing.
that's very, very true.
Got to look after him, ain't
Yeah, true, yeah. Yeah, I can see you again. So it proves that we're here. Isn't that right, eh? Yes, and Chester's around.
Doors opening.
So this is platform 3. We've got to go platform 1, haven't we?
Captain 3, corner 1009, Atlantic West Coast, service to Edinburgh. Corner Oxenholme Lake District, Carlisle, Haymarket, and Edinburgh. This train is formed of 11 coaches. Due to a short platform, passengers for Haymarket should board the front 9 coaches.
Here we are, we've got a pub or cafe. So we just got the Vancy West Coast just come in. Let's go to Leeds. This one, class 156. And we're waiting for the train on platform 1 to come in.
Please join the train at the nearest available doors. If you're not travelling, please stand back behind the yellow line.
Right, won't be a sec. Let's see what's down here. It's all new to me all here. I have been here before, but I haven't been here for ages. So we've got football pitches. We've got a football club here as well. Here we are. Got a feeling it might be Lancaster Football Club here. Football ground. Right by the train station. Looks pretty nice. Mind the bikes. Yeah, sorry. So it looks like Lancaster's football ground here. Yeah, 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 just over there.
This is due to congestion. We apologise for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you.
And here we are. Here we go, there's signs here to Lancaster Station, Morecambe, Millennium something, the City Loop, City Centre, Castle and Priory. Signs here. Yes, they have a castle here as well. How come you're being nosy? So doing some building work here. That was a short train. Anyway, thank you for watching, everyone. I'll catch you very, very soon. Bye-bye. From Lancaster Station.